Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a thought-provoking topic: life on Earth after no oxygen. It's a fascinating concept that challenges our understanding of the world around us. So, let's get started. Imagine a world without oxygen. Sounds impossible, right? Well, let's explore what life would be like if all the oxygen on Earth suddenly disappeared. First and foremost, human beings would face a massive challenge. Our bodies rely on oxygen to produce energy, and without it, we'd be unable to survive. Our hearts would stop beating, and our cells would die. It's a grim scenario, but it's important to consider the potential consequences of such a catastrophic event. However, there are some organisms that could potentially thrive in this new environment. Bacteria, for example, could continue to exist in an anaerobic environment, as they don't require oxygen to survive. Some plants, such as the Venus flytrap, could also adapt to a world without oxygen, as they don't rely on photosynthesis for energy. But what about the rest of the world's inhabitants? Animals that rely on oxygen, such as birds, mammals, and reptiles, would face a similar fate to humans. They would be unable to breathe and would ultimately succumb to their environment. So, what would happen to the Earth itself? Without oxygen, plants would die, leading to a massive decrease in carbon dioxide absorption. This would cause the Earth's temperature to skyrocket, potentially leading to a global catastrophe. Now, let's consider the impact of this scenario on human civilization. Without oxygen, our cities and infrastructure would quickly crumble, and our way of life would be completely transformed. In summary, a world without oxygen would be a catastrophic event for all life on Earth. Human beings, animals, and plants would all be unable to survive in such an environment. It's a fascinating thought experiment that challenges our understanding of the world around us. Thank you for joining us today as we explored this intriguing topic. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Until next time, take care and stay curious.